It's brand new?
Yeah.
We are lifted!
Driving around in the drop top, singing, baby, please don't let your love stop. I ain't got nothing, heart's breaking, cause you told me you're staying. Really believe you to this day.
Alright, y'all, so I just pulled up to the Audi dealership. I'm about to get my new car. Alright, guys, this is the big unveil. I'm gonna show you what the car looks like. Are you guys ready? Hey, look how nice it looks. How do you put my stuff inside? It's this little car now. New toy, new thing. Hey, we're gonna tint this out for sure. I don't need anybody being able to see me inside the car. All right, y'all. Take off that mask. Here we go. This is my first time in the car. I need to throw that out. He's gonna go right there. Damn, there's so much space for activities. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm about to go home. I'm gonna show Bree the car. We're gonna go on a little test drive. And yeah. Alright, y'all. We're about to turn on the car for the first time. Ooh! Ooh! Alright. Look how fancy it is. Make this Audi your Audi using the configuration wizard. Select user. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. We got this. Hey, okay. I'm connected now. Now we're good. This is ready to go. I'm so excited right now. Alright, I'm gonna go pick Bree up. Let's go. Come on. Yo, I love it. I love it though. Get out of my way, bro. You halfway in the street. Y'all see that? They trying to ruin me. Hey. Look at my baby. Look at how it picks up speed. I love driving fast. It just climbs. It's so smooth. Like, oh, it's so smooth. Y'all, you don't understand. I'm so excited right now. All right, guys, I'm about to take Bree out for a ride. It's gonna be the first time she sees my car. Bree! Are you ready? We got the car keys right here. Here we go. Can we? Oh, no.
No one does our room, y'all. Can we go to the post office?
I don't know where it's at, but sure. Yeah, I'm good. All right, ready? Hold on. The light, you haven't seen it.
Bang, we lit up out here in these streets. We out here in these Cali streets. I ain't gonna be in the back seat.
What you think? What you think, Bree? My clickbait's gonna be, I bought Bree a car. You like it?
Clean up in here.
iPad screen.
Clean. What year is
2020.
20? Is it 20?
Mm-hmm.
It's brand new?
Yeah.
We are lifted! Chill. Y'all make sure y'all watching this full video because she needs these views.
To pay this off.
Pay that off. Watch all them ads. Every single one.
You ready? Oh, I didn't even realize I had a sunroof. What is this? We got a sunroof. I want to open it. Oh, is it this one?
How you not know you had a sunroof?
I
Did
didn't
you
know.
look at the car?
Nope.
Didn't look at the car.
I didn't realize. Oh, I like that. Does it open or is it just? Oh.
I know more about this car than you do, and I've had it for 13 seconds.
Hey, let's go. Which way?
Claim it. Left. Wait, which way's Tahunga?
Right.
Right.
You scared? Hey! Hey! How you feel, Bree?
I feel good.
We gonna speed it up in a second
Yeah.
on this road.
How much is this car?
It's expensive.
Did you tell the people?
I did not. So
Don't matter. That's why you ain't gotta watch the ads. It's expensive. She can't even tell me the price.
it picks up speed so quick.
You want to race?
Do I want to race against you?
Yeah, you win. Your car's faster.
With your Jeep?
Your car's faster.
By the time I'm
Well, my car
done,
will bully you.
your car would knock me off the road.
Yeah, but you
But my car will definitely beat you in a race any
definitely
day.
beat me.
It's because I'm slow in real life, so I gotta
You gotta,
I gotta be fast in my car.
what's it called?
But I'm a big body in real life, so you know I don't need strength in the car anymore.
No, you don't need that.
That's why you got the big car.
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy Bree.
Big Daddy Bree.
Bree got in a fight, y'all.
Yeah, go watch my video.
Bree got in a fight. I was shocked. I didn't know Bree
Yeah, I
could
ain't
fight
know I
like
got
that.
these hands.
I didn't know you could fight like that, Bree.
Got these hands.
It's because I've been training you, you know? I'm gonna leave you, Bree. I got the car tinted, y'all. It looks good. We're gonna do a wrap next. Wheels after that. Your girl gonna be blacked out. I'm excited. All right, y'all, so I'm about to check out my car. I haven't seen it yet. Let's take a look. Hey, Adrian. What you do out here?
Full wrap, rims, calipers.
All of it. We got the tint too. The red calipers. Satin black. You got me looking good out here, huh? Hey. It looks so good. Appreciate you. Y'all, look at this. The baby looks so good. Hey.
Please come take this pain away. Please come take this pain away. Don't put me through another day. Why you let me feel this